A of everybody. Everything in life is determined by something. Likewise, sentence 2 have determiners. Determiners, what it is? Determiners are the words that are used in front of nouns to indicate whether you are referring to something specific or something of a particular type. Singular nouns always need a determiner. In plural nouns, the determiner is optional. Determiners may or may not be used with uncountable nouns, depending on the context.
Types of determiners. There are 6 types of determiners in a sentence. They are articles, possessives, demonstratives, distributives or quantifiers, interrogatives, number expressions.
The first one is articles. Articles refers to a and the. They modify a noun in that they identify specific or general. For example, I came here to submit an application. I came here to submit what? An application. Here, article an is added with the singular noun application to make it specific. Next is possessives. Possessives refers to possessive pronoun such as my, your, our, their, his, her, whose, etc. They modify a noun in that they specify to whom something belongs. For example, this is my lunchbox. This is whose lunchbox? My lunchbox. Here, the possessive pronoun my is added to the singular noun lunchbox to make it specific.
Demonstratives. Demonstratives refers to a kind of pronoun like this, that, these, those, which, etc. They modify a noun in that they specify the noun. For example, this is a grammar website. Here, demonstrative pronoun this is added to the noun grammar website to make it specific.
Distributives. Distributives, otherwise called as quantifiers, refers to indefinite pronoun such as few, many, much, each, every, some, any, etc. They modify a noun in that they refer to a general quantity. For example, he bought some textbooks. He bought some textbooks. Here, the word some is used to refer a quantity of the noun textbooks bought.
Interrogatives. Interrogatives denotes to question words such as what, which, who, where, etc. They modify a noun in that they refer to specific question. For example, where is my chocolate? Here, the interrogative word where is added in the sentence to ask question about a noun, my chocolate. Number expressions. Number expressions denotes to numbers. They modify a noun in that they specify a quantity. For example, Alam is the first rank holder. Here, the number expression first is added to the noun rank holder to specify its quantity. Here, there are 2 types of number expression. One is cardinal number expression and another one is ordinal number expressions. Cardinal number expression is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 20, 40. Ordinal number expression is nothing but first, second, last, next, etc.
Points to remember. Determiners are used to state the unit or number of people, things or other nouns. To state possessives, to specify someone or something. To state how things or people are distributed. To state the difference between nouns. There are about 50 different determiners in the English language, which includes multipliers, fractions, intensifiers, quantifiers, articles, demonstratives, distributives, possessives, interrogatives, quantifiers, cardinal numbers, ordinal numbers. That's all about determiners. Write 5 sentences using each type of determiners. Chatty bye.